evacuation order declared for the entire state of Utah. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah State Emergency Management Division of the United States Department of Civil Defense. This is an update to the signal danger warning issued at 3:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time this morning. The extraterrestrials have destroyed 50% of the state, and the Utah State National Guard is nearly depleted. Cities like Green City, Colorado Village, Acer City, and Green Acres have been completely decimated by the extraterrestrials. All residents are now advised to evacuate the state now, as our National Guard and law enforcement agencies have failed. To repeat, the state of Utah has failed you, and you must evacuate to save your life. You are to evacuate to the north to Idaho. All stations in the state of Utah will not go off the air until further notice. Evacuate Utah immediately. This station will now cease transmission.